A common exam question is to find the percentage of a number. Especially they do ask you questions using real life scenarios. That's why we are going to practice using real life examples now. Before we start with the examples, I'm going to say this first. To find a percentage of a number, so if you need to find a percentage of a number, what do you need to do? First, you need to change the percentage to a decimal. So you need to change the percentage to a decimal. That's one. And second, you need to multiply. Okay? And I will show you using these examples. The first example is shopping discount. What's the problem here? So they are asking a toy costs $50. It is 10% off. How much is the discount? Okay, they are asking about the discount. The first step is you need to change the percentage to a decimal. So I have 10%. I need to change it to the decimal. 10%, it's 0.1. And step 2, I need to multiply by the number. So 0.1 times 50, it is 5. So the answer is 5. So the discount is $5. All right. Now, example number 2, sharing food. A pizza has 8 slices. You eat 25% of the pizza. How many slices did you eat? So they are asking how many slices did you eat? What's the first thing that we need to do? Step 1 is change the percentage to a number. To a decimal. So 25%, it's 0.25. And if you don't know how to change percentage to a decimal, I have created a YouTube video on my YouTube channel how to change percentage to decimal. And I've got the link in my bio, but it's the channel Master Mathematics with us. Okay. All right. So 25%. I need to change it to decimal, and then second step, I need to multiply by the number. So 0.25 times 8 is 2. So you ate 2 slices. All right. So how many slices did you eat? So the answer is 2 slices. Now, example number 3, test marks. So they're saying a test has 40 questions. You got 50% correct. So that means half of these questions are correct. How many questions did you get right? So I've actually answered the questions. So first thing that we really need to know, sometimes we have some numbers in percentages that are very easy and quick to answer. So 50%, it is if I need to use the steps. So 50%, if I need to change it to decimal, is 0.5. 0.5 times 40 equal 20. All right. So you got 20 questions right. Now, if you don't want to use these steps and you know that it's 50%, it's half. All right. 50% is half. So what's half 40? 20. So you'll get the answer that quick, especially during exams when you don't have time. Actually, enough time. The last example is about attendance. There are 200 students in a school. 200 students in a school, 5% are absent. How many students are absent? So we said 5%. 5%, it's 0.05, and step 2, 0.05 times 200 equals 10. All right, so we have 10 students absent. And also please remember that 5% is half of 10%. That makes it much more easier to solve the questions quickly. Now I'm going to give you quickly one example, and I want you to answer in the comments below. So example number 5, I'm gonna write it in black. So you save 20% of 30 bucks pocket money. How much do you save? Let's see who can answer this question right. So give me the answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching.